Hello everyone, welcome back to Year 11 Methods, and today we're gonna keep continuing with the completing squares and with the CAS calculator using. Today we're gonna talk about the completing square, which is some like perfect squares, and how we're gonna graphing and how we're gonna solve for x. So I want you guys to show just real quick for you guys to remember. So if I say menu, and if you go into the algebra, so and you will say the complete the square. So if I put anything, for example, x squared and minus 5x and plus 2 and comma x, which is solve for x, you will say um, this is the complete square for you guys to understand. And if you come up with the decimals, I want you guys to going back with the settings and document settings, and in Proxima we go into exact, and that will help you. So now we're gonna try to do the complete squares with x equal to 0. So what we do in this question is in by hand, so x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So what I do is I'm going to try to using x minus a square equal to equal to x square minus 2ax plus a square. So this is the completing square. So I'm going to try to using uh, explanation, which is half multiplied by -3 equal to -3 over 2. Why am I using this? Because did you just say this 2ax here? So which is you have to multiply by 2 and to find out the a. So which is what we do is we're using x squared minus 3 over 2 times. So what we do is we're using minus 3x, right? So because you already have a 2 times something equal to 3x, 2 times something x equal to 3x. So that's what we need as that a equal to the 3 over 2 square. And once you adding the 3 over 2 square, you have to minus 3 over 2 square, because you can't just adding all of a sudden and then you plus 1 in the end equal to 0. Now in here, we can make sure they become 2 x minus a square things, which is x minus 3 over 2 square and minus 4 or 9 over 4 plus 1. So once we have this equal to 0, so then x minus 3 over 2 square minus 5 over 4 equal to 0. And then which is x minus 3 over 2 square equal to 5 over 4. Then x minus 3 over 2 equal to square root of plus or minus 5 over 4. And x equal to plus or minus root 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2. So that become your answer. And the second one, which is we can use as the CAS calculator. So 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. So what we do is we're going to solve algebra solve. So we go 2 times x squared minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, comma, x. And then that's what we solved for x. And then that come up with your two answers. So which is your y, so x intercept. Hopefully that makes sense. So now what we're using as the vertex, and then now we do the complete sketching the graph as well. So first thing first, we take out the -2 on both sides. So why we need this? Because y equal to -2x squared minus 3x plus 4. That looks a little bit better. And now what we do is we're using completing squares, which is negative 2. So x squared minus 3x plus 3 over 2 squared. And minus 3 over 2 squared plus 4. That's what we need. And then y equal to, we're going to find out the turning point. So that's why we're doing the completing square. So hopefully that makes sense. So x minus 3 over 2 squared. I use a big bracket, and minus 9 over 4 plus 4. So y equal to negative 2 x minus 3 over 2 squared and plus, so 16 minus 9 is 7, so which is 7 over 4. Now y equal to negative 2 x minus 3 over 2 squared and minus 7 over 2. Now, the turning point will be equal to 3 over 2 and negative 7 over 2. So that's your turning point. And because that's a negative, so your graph will be going down. And also, because of your turning point in here, you won't have any x-intercept. So basically, that is the graph. The only thing you probably need to know is your y-intercept, which is x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to negative 2, 9 over 4 minus 7 over 2, so which is minus 9 over 2 minus 7, so that equal to minus 16 over 2, which is minus 8. So 0 minus 8 is that little dot. Okay, so another thing I want you guys to remember, once you have the polynomial form, if you want to find out the turning point, which is x equal to minus b over 2a, so which is you substitution the a and b into this function, and you find out your x value of the turning point. Now we can try to test it out to find the turning point. So x equal to minus minus b over 2a, sorry, my bad, minus b over 2a. So which is when a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 3. Okay, so what we do is x equal to minus b, which is minus 4, over 2 times 1, which is 4 over 2 is 2. So when x equal to 2, so y equal to 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3, that'll be 4 minus a plus 3, that'll be minus 1. Hopefully that makes sense. So once you have minus 1, and which is the 2 minus 1 is your turning point, and now we can find out the another one, which is on b. So x equal to minus b over 2a, so that equal to minus 12 over 2 times negative 2, so that will be minus 12 minus 4, that equal to 3. Y equal to 2 times 3 squared plus 12 times 3 minus 7, that equal to 18 plus 36 minus 7, so that equal to 11. So turning point are equal to 3, 11. That's it. Just give a practice and then you'll be able to do the questions. And then I'll see you guys next time.